English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 1. Daily Conversation. How are you? People say that. Anything more natural? How is it going? How is it going? What are you doing? People understand it. What would friends say? What are you up to? What are you up to? How have you been? That sounds fine. What sounds more casual? How have you been? How have you been? Are you busy? This is common. Anything shorter? Are you busy? Are you busy? Are you free now? That works too. What sounds natural? You free? You free? Where are you going? It sounds textbook. What do people usually say? Where are you headed? Where are you headed? I go home now. People get it. Anything more natural? I am heading home. I am heading home. I understand. It is not wrong. Anything shorter? Got it. Got it. Are you okay? People use this often. What sounds more casual? You good? You good? Do you have time now? Nothing wrong with that. What sounds more natural? Got a minute? Got a minute? I am tired. That is natural. What sounds more native? I am beat. I am beat. That is good. People understand it. Anything more natural? Nice one. Nice one. I do not know. That is fine. Anything more casual? Who knows? Who knows? Really? People say this a lot. Anything stronger? For real? For real? I am going now. It makes sense. What sounds more natural? On my way. On my way. How is it going? How is it going? What are you up to? What are you up to? How have you been? How have you been? Are you busy? Are you busy? You free? You free? Where are you headed? Where are you headed? I am heading home. I am heading home. Got it. Got it. You good? You good? Got a minute? Got a minute? I am beat. I am beat. Nice one. Nice one. Who knows? Who knows? For real? For real? On my way. On my way. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.